In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use admin commands in Ability Wars private server and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, in Ability Wars you have specific public commands that you can find on the wiki. So for example, rejoin, 1v1, duel, free cam, and so on. And you can use these on any server, either public or private. So for example, free cam and so on. Now, what about admin commands? If you visit the wiki, you will find them here, admin exclusive commands. This page contains content that is reserved for staff members that moderate in-game. You will have moderation, player modification, and other options. Now, let's say you try to type out one of these commands. So for example, /get kills, which should give a specific player an amount of kills. So I'm going to try to give myself 100 kills. As you can see, it tells me command failed. Let's try another one, /godmode, my nickname, and then on. Once again, failed. And you can clearly notice that I was in a private server. So as it stands today, is it impossible to use these commands even if you are playing on a private server that you own? Sadly, as it stands today, it is indeed impossible. As you can see on the Ability Wars wiki, people even made a poll asking if we should be able to use these commands, the admin commands, in a private server. But this is just a poll. And as you might imagine, as it stands today, it is indeed impossible to use these admin commands. Only people who have admin privileges and staff members can use them. So as it stands today, the only commands that you have access to are going to be these ones: rejoin, 1v1, duel, and free cam. Everything else is not going to be available. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using commands in Ability Wars and how they are reserved for staff members only. If this video answered any questions that you had, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.